Today we're going to talk about programming your single channel control box to your remote. So the first step of this is make sure your power supply is plugged in and that it's plugged in correctly. So you see this 4-terminal block here. Your power supply is going to get plugged in where it says DC in on here. And then above the DC in it says G and V. G stands for ground, V stands for voltage or hot wire. So typically you're going to have a black and a red wire. Black wire goes into the G slot, the red wire goes into the V. If they're different colors, you might have to look up what that color coding means, which one's the ground. But ground goes into G, hot goes into V. Next thing you're going to do is plug in your motor. At this point, it doesn't really matter which wire you put where, but you're just going to put your motor wires into these two blocks on this side of the terminal. Once that's done, you're going to push the learn button for about a second or two, and you're going to see this light start blinking slowly. Then you're going to take your remote, you're simply going to push up. You should see this flash about 3 times quickly, and then turn off. Then you can test out your remote. Simply push the up button and see if your motor responds. One thing that we see happen is sometimes the programming is reversed. So you push the up button and the motor starts retracting. You push the down button, the motor starts extending. So there's 2 simple ways to fix this. Either you can simply swap the motor wires, or you can redo the programming button and instead of pushing the up button on the remote, push the down button, and that'll program it the opposite way. So 2 simple solutions, doesn't matter which way you do it, and that's all you have to do to get the single channel remote and control box hooked up.